my belt on, please. Brother, let me put my belt. G, belt.
You're idiots. Clear off.
I'm opening the door. My guy here, yeah, he goes, yo, drive the car. So I sit in here. Tell me why there's no steering wheel. There's no steering wheel, and then I look at the number plate. I'm not going to show it, but it's some foreign plate, yeah. There's some Morse code on the number plate. We're not even here for the car, we're here for the left-hand drive, mate. I've done this once before in another country. Are you being serious?
Yeah, so
the clutch is on the left. Nah, don't piss me off, bro, because I'm a gullible guy, innit? 2 likes, we'll do POV bin lorry. Is that a password or something?
yeah.
Oh, it's there. Jesus, big steering wheel, you know. Oh, I forgot we were recording. Nah, I don't like it, bro. I'll be real, I think this
is first gear.
I drove an auto, I didn't drive a manual.
Got something, bro.
Shut up, man. I'm used to the f***ing button, innit? Am I close on that side? Because I'm not trying to lose my... I'm not trying to lose my depot. Oh, did you see what I just did? Tried to change gear. Right, this is gonna take some...
You're in the middle of the road.
No, oh yeah, I am. Nah, this is so shit. Brother, I don't think I can do it. Yo, this is sick. Nah, this is correct. I do think this is correct.
Yeah, this one's
in the grand scheme of things, it's meant to be like this, innit? Old school Volt. Oh, bro, this is like, look, this is a weapon. Just, do you know what I mean? You should see my car creaking all over the place. I reckon I can punch through my car. But wait, what? I don't speak kilometers an hour, innit? So someone translate in the comments. What is that smell? That can't be the clutch. I barely even used it.
Probably the tires.
Why do your tires stink, mate? They need some deodorant. How old is this?
2005, so like 20.
This is what I said in that. I said it in a video. This is 20. This is my age.
21.
Yo, you're even you know, so is mine. Gee, this does not feel like a 20-year-old car at all. I'm still getting to grips with things, innit? I can't lie, I'm not comfortable.
It's got cruise controls though.
No, f that. I want to be on the ball, mate. I ain't trying to let it do it for me. What's my road position saying? Am I alright?
Yeah, you're in the middle, you're fine.
How the f do you ever taking this?
You don't.
Fast? No, that's good then, innit? That's life expectancy.
You could risk it.
Yo, I feel like a proper uncle right now, you know, like a Polish uncle. Kurwa. Am I wide? Am I wide? Another thing, I'm using my mirrors to keep myself in, but I don't like that. I don't want to use my mirrors to know where I am. He's got space in it. What's the price like on a left-hand drive? Is that what, cheaper, expensive?
It's more expensive, obviously, because it's a more international car. But if we're talking insurance, you're getting cheap-ass insurance.
40 quid a month just to not get pulled over. That's decent. Now, I keep forgetting, you know when you get in the zone and then you realise, oh shit. Because as a driver, I'm meant to be there. You get me? Yeah. I'm supposed to be sat there. Why am I so close to this? No, you know what it is, cause this is a humbling experience.
Yeah, you are in the middle of the road.
Is that gonna make it?
Just redline the whole thing.
Sorry, cuz. My bad. Bruv, you know, should I tell you what it is? Because you know the cars I drive on my channel? Yeah. I don't really care about them, but I fucking forgot it's yours. My bad, genuinely. Bruv, I need my mirror. Yeah, I feel like if I got you, give me a day in here, yeah? And then tomorrow I'd be calm. I'm sure you can relate because it's your car, innit?
Yeah, the first time I tried parking it, I crashed because it's like a long car.
Oh, parking it. Oh, don't even chat to me about parking. That didn't even cross my mind. I am getting used to it. Obviously, I'm going to slip up here and there, but I'm not as shook as when I just first stepped in. Left-hand drive, So this is what all the Americans be hitting gaps in. What do you prefer?
I like the left-hand drive.
Seriously?
Yeah, genuinely.
And you had experience with both?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I just feel like I'm over there. I like how it's left-hand drive though. It's weird.
Also, when you pull up next to people, you're right next to each other, you just chat to someone.
Oh yeah, no, I'm very social on the road, I'll be real, I chat to everyone.
You're not all the way on this side.
Yeah. Oh, this is where I'm gonna struggle, you know. Yes. They just look so close, you get me?
It's probably because you're close. You genuinely are. You know what's nice about it though? You can hit bus lane cameras, you can hit speed cameras. And
I don't get it because it's on Dutch plate. I might put Dutch plates on my car, but I feel like that's a mission, innit? Sorry about that.
To be fair, you're doing good.
Nah, you know, it's because I've driven it before, innit? It's just because it's UK, you get me? Nah. You know, if I was on that side, yeah, that would have been calm. I would not have hesitated, but it's because I'm here. I wish I could explain to the viewers what this feels like. This thing is so solid, mate. Like, the thing just feels built. Can I do your wiper?
Yeah.
Blood, why is it that way? Nah, that's the ugliest thing I've seen. Why does it go like that? That's so clapped. Can I ask why you have this? Seriously, man, these men do anything for a bit of money off. It's a good lane. So you're driving with no tax. So I'm driving with, so you're criminal.
You're driving my tax. Don't put me into this.
Bro, don't be saying this on video, you know, because we've got a lot of 40-year-old men. What you know what the problem with my channel is? It deceives people to thinking it's a proper car channel, and then they watch it and they realise it's just a wanker. Nah, cause it's definitely manageable. You know, any problem I've had is literally to do with memory and lack of experience. Like I said, give me a day or two in here. Like I'm constantly driving it. I reckon it'd be blessed. I feel like I'm in a foreign country, you know. I feel like I'm in the south of France. Cause to be fair, you never curb this on this side. Safe for that, yeah. Yo, it's so weird stepping out of this side while I've just been driving. This might be a dead end, you know, cause I've never been. Nah, what? How can you see around the corner?
I can't.
Go slow, fam. Go slow. What are you doing? No, you're scaring me, you know. I don't get how you can see. Yeah, this is a dead end. Nah, fam, this is hard. I've never been here. Brother, you're cloud seeding. Yo. What the f are you doing, fam? Oh my god, fairy dust, G. Wait, brother, I swear you told me this is your daily.
Yeah.
So what are you doing that for? Yo, I feel like we're in another country. There's a foreign plate. We're in some next field. That's clean, you know.
Yeah.
That's a clean setup. What is this, a V4? Bro, you're tapped, you know. Your content is not gonna last long if you're posting yourself doing that. Cause I can't lie, I'm thinking of buying it. How much you selling yours? Not for sale. Yo, can I put my belt on, please? Brother, let me put my belt. G, belt. Yo. Oh, this is pissing me off. Why, bro? I'm gonna get hypnotized by this. Yo, this is falling off.
The cameras, come on.
Bro, it's gonna whack your window. I'll be real.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'll just wait till you stop then, innit? Because I can't. I'm just sat there, man.
It's gonna whack you in the face if I accelerate.
Yo, what am I doing in this ding off? What are you doing?
I'm getting the drone out.
Do you see what I mean? Did you hear that belt? Everything about this car is so. It's just solid. I wasn't even gonna talk about the car. I was just here for the drive, but fucking hell, this is the baddest car I've ever sat in.
I feel like 8-9 immigrants in here.
More than that, immigrants don't complain, you know how it is. I just feel like I'm in South France right now. I don't feel like I'm in the UK. There's a farm there, I'm in a field, and I'm in a left-hand drive. There's a car YouTube account, you're getting visuals of the crops. Nah, bro, I'll be real, this is going in the video. We do a bit of everything, innit? We appreciate all areas. If you're into farming, we've got you covered.
Sick footage.
Brother's on some mad software right now, bro. Lots coding in the field, mate. He's got his drone there, his Volvo there. You can't tell me this guy's not a migrant.
SD card speed.
Why is your remote doing the Macarena, fam? Yo, I should get this in it for POV drives. Will it keep up with the...
Yeah, but it does 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, but the thing is, I was doing 60 in yours, so what now?
Just don't go 60.
Nah, G, step away from me, blood. Can you get a cold visual of me opening it up and getting in? Yo! Oh yeah, you skunked. I ain't shook with no drone. Hop in the Volvo, cause you're some interesting guy. You nearly mack off your car. The guy comes out and he goes, yo, cause I've got my drone. Let's get some drone footage.
I'm too fair.
We need to do some earthing, you know. You need to take your shoes and socks off. You not heard of earthing? You don't know about earthing? I can't respect you if you don't know about earthing. Yo, there's a screen in my seat. Your airbags work?
I don't know, never tried them.
We'll find out in a bit then, innit?
Yeah, got it.
Why are you avoiding potholes? Did you see the way you came in?
I'm a good driver.
No inglese.
You're idiots. Clear off.
Alright.
Farmer. Go on.
I'm not driving.
Drive, man. Put your foot down on the clutch.
I can't. Why does
Put it first
Before
gear.
I phone the farmer.
Why does
Put it first
Before
gear.
I phone the farmer.
I'm caught. I'm.
You're trespassing.
She was looking
Are
at
you
the entire
stupid?
time. I'm here with the steering wheel by 100 looking at you. You're an idiot.
Why did you have a go at
What
me
did I do? I
for?
wasn't even driving.
Oh, I hate when they do that. It's not.
Just drive.
It's not that tight. There's literally nothing
Oh, look at
there.
that
Cause there's your
corner
dream car. Oh yeah, I forgot about the road. Yo, we're hypocrites. We complained about that. We did the exact same thing. Why don't you indicate? Did they not indicate in the boat?
I did indicate, you just can't hear it. It's got a muted indicator. See?
Oh. Bro, this is weird, man. This is what I usually film, but there's just no wheel today. See, right now, I don't get how you're going this quick when you cannot see around the corner. Chill, bro. Chill. Nah, you're one of the ones who's scaring me.
No.
Cousin, we're in the UK.
Yeah, what's up?
You're on the wrong side of the road, fam. Yo, don't get in a car with a migrant. You get some unique problems. You might have to pack up that YouTube dream, you know, cause you blew it before you started. Yeah, a bit tight around here.
Everyone's scared of Volvo, they make way for me.
I mean, everyone's scared of the way